The rumor mill around the next-gen DJI Avata 3 has been steadily growing, and with good reason. According to multiple leaks and insider whispers, this isn't simply an incremental upgrade. It might be the moment the FPV first-person view drone category takes a quantum leap. From whispers of a 1-inch CMOS sensor, to blistering top speeds around 140 kilometers per hour, to a background of complex geopolitical and regulatory headwinds. This machine is shaping up to be a statement. The Avata 3 could be engineered not just to fly better, but to shift paradigms. To understand why the Avata 3 is so hotly anticipated, it helps to look backwards at how the Avata series arrived, and what expectations are now being placed on its next iteration. When DJI originally launched the Avata, without the 3, it targeted a niche bridging pros and enthusiasts, offering the thrill of FPV racing rigs, but packaged in a more accessible, cine-friendly form factor. Then came the Avata 2 in 2024, improved stabilization, better image capture, smarter flight modes. But many enthusiasts felt it was more refinement than revolution. Now the buzz is that the Avata May 3rd mark the third-generation shift, which many tech lines reserve for major leaps. DJI's heritage shows that by the third iteration of major product lines, for example their Mavic or Osmo series, they tend to raise the bar significantly. Leaks suggest the Avata 3 is following that pattern. Camera system. The standout upgrade is the larger camera housing. It's rumored that the Avata 3 will adopt a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a substantial jump from the 1/1.3 or 1/1.7 systems used previously. This could bring markedly improved low-light performance, sharper detail, better dynamic range, bringing the drone's footage closer to what mirrorless cameras deliver. Propulsion and aerodynamics. The signature duck propeller form factor remains, a hallmark of the Avata line that gives durability and agility in tighter environments. But there are key changes. The battery appears to be moved to the rear, rather than top or embedded, giving better weight distribution and freeing up space for the larger camera. Also, the propeller setup is reported to switch to a 4-blade configuration, up from the previous 3, which should offer increased thrust and finer control, especially in FPV-style aggressive flights. Performance. Rumors point to top speeds of around 140 kilometers per hour, a figure usually reserved for custom-built FPV rigs rather than consumer, ready-to-fly models. Combine that with DJI's flight stabilization, and you could see a drone that blends high-octane performance with cinematic polish. Flight time and transmission. While the Avata 2 offered around 23 minutes of flight time, the Avata 3 is expected to nudge that higher. Some rumors suggest 25 minutes or more. Modest in the world of long-endurance drones, but meaningful in FPV where agility and speed matter more. Transmission improvements are also in play. New DJI Avata